Hi everyone, I am Isadora from A Sprinkle of Teaching, and today I am going to show you how to assign a boom deck to your students. So here is several boom decks that I have from my own store and as well as other teachers from TPT. And I'm going to actually show you how to assign one of my decks. So you're going to click on that library on top of your screen. This is, of course, after you've logged into BoomCard's website. And then you're going to find the deck that you want. Click on the blue action button and you can select either assign. I do have my class set up through Google Classroom here. So I sunk my Google Classroom onto the Boom Learning website, and that is also an option that you do have with a paid membership. And then also, these are the two link buttons that I do want to focus on right now. So here is the FastPin. As a free member, you can assign your whole class possibly through Google Classroom, Seesaw, through Zoom chat or Google Meet chat. You can just click on this, generate pin, and you can just copy this link here and enter it anywhere on a Google Classroom, on Seesaw, Canvas, or even through a chat. And same goes for the Hyperplay link. So this button actually, when you click it, okay, you're also going to be copying and pasting this link to wherever you need it to go. And one thing about this is that once the kids click on this link, it's going to prompt them to log in to the Boom Learning website. Once they do that and start playing their deck, you can monitor their work through reports. Okay, so these are some decks that I did assign. So for the purpose of collecting data, you would go to reports. I am not going to show you this because of student information that I do have here. However, you will click there and you can navigate through there and see all the options that it does have. All right, that's all I have for you today. If you have any questions, please ask a question on TPT or just email me. My email is in the description below, and also you can find it in the preview as well. Okay, enjoy. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching today. If you would like to watch more of my videos, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Don't forget to like and leave a comment. Love you always, and thanks again for all of your support. Bye.